Today, let's take a quick look at what this Python code can do in AutoCAD. This will demonstrate how simple it is to generate texts, lines, and circles in AutoCAD using Python. Let's unpack it. In this two-part series, we will explore importing Python modules for AutoCAD interaction, creating an AutoCAD instance in order to begin drawing, how to display a message in AutoCAD, how to print the current document name, how to access the AutoCAD model, drawing in AutoCAD using a loop to get the same results shown at the start of this video. Let's jump into the first part. From pyautocad, import AutoCAD Ep1. You probably would use this line in every script here, so always remember it. This line imports two classes from the pyautocad module. If the term class is new to you, think of it as a category or a group of objects or people. For instance, consider a footballer class. Different footballers can be objects or instances of this class, and the footballer class might have functions like play, score, or pass. So AutoCAD, this is the main class that allows us to interact with the AutoCAD application. A point, it is a helper class to represent points in AutoCAD environment. For example, an attribute of a point is to have x and y coordinates. The A-point helper class would help us define these attributes. AutoCAD equal AutoCAD. Here we are creating an instance of the AutoCAD class. It's like calling Ronaldo equal a footballer. So Ronaldo is part of a main group called footballer. The same thing, AutoCAD is part of a main group called AutoCAD. The parameter create if not exists equal true means that if there is no running instance of AutoCAD, it will start one. Actually, if AutoCAD is not running when the code is executed, it will automatically open AutoCAD and execute the drawing. AutoCAD.prompt hello AutoCAD from Python. The dot operator is used to access methods or attributes of an object. In this case, it's AutoCAD. In the example of a footballer, using a dot operator is like telling Ronaldo to do something specific. For example, if I want Ronaldo to score a goal, I use the function score and it's written as Ronaldo.score. So basically I'm asking AutoCAD to do a prompt, to do the function prompt. The prompt function is basically to send a message to the AutoCAD command line welcoming users saying hello AutoCAD from Python, as you can see here. Actually, when you see this message in the AutoCAD command line, it means there is a successful connection between AutoCAD and Python. Print. This line prints the name of the current AutoCAD document to the Python console. The name here is an attribute of the document of AutoCAD, which is in this case drawing 1. Today we laid the foundation. In our next episode we'll create the drawing using Python and AutoCAD. Don't miss out, like, share, and see you in the next episode.